In today's video, we find a cave. Let's get into it. Guys, welcome to the video. Today the story is make sure you have your drone with you all the time. Capture those moments and memories by having that DJI Mini 1, Mini 2 with you, even the bigger drones. Just make sure you've got them with you. Honestly, you're never going to miss a moment. So make sure you've got all your settings set up, all your values you want, and then let's get that shot positioned, and then away we go. And this is a stunning area within the Lake District. Honestly, the problem today is I forgot my ND filters. I know, schoolboy error, big error. So a lot of these photos and videos are edited, but the area is stunning. And also, you don't always have all your equipment with you. It could be a last minute thing. You just grab your drone quickly and away you go. You haven't got time to pack everything. But it just shows you that by having that flying camera with you all the time, you're always going to get the shots. And that's a story I'm trying to get across today. When you are flying in the air, get used to these reveal shots. I'm doing a video on these coming up very soon, but reveal shots, actually panning shots, sideways shots, always have some degree of motion in your shots. And even though this is just a last minute event and I'm enjoying the place that we're in, you can get some great footage. And sports mode, sports mode isn't just for fun flying. It's a great tool which I use all the time for getting to places fast. Not range tests, nothing like that. I'm on about getting to that area. So if I want to actually position myself here and get lined up ready for the next shot, put it into sports mode enables me to get there quicker. Then I can actually switch it back to normal and then get this shot like this. Sports mode is fantastic. So use sports mode to your advantage. So where we're flying today in the area, there's an actual cave you can go in and it's so cool, but we'll get to that in a minute. But also use your drone for capturing moments and the people that you're with as well. Use this tool for memories. So this area we went to, it's a fantastic, lovely area, but get some reveal shots of you and the people you're with as well. So again, using sports mode, we can get it back to where we are and then get it nice and positioned. And then a really cool, good shot to do, which is pretty straightforward. A nice flying backwards shot like this, keeping the subject in the center of that frame, straight back, and then add some actual altitude as well towards the end. And it's a brilliant shot, but it also captures them people you're with. So although the landscape's fantastic and stunning, you also want to include the people you're with, because obviously that's the memories you want to keep as well. So let's get onto the cave. So this is the cave now. What a fantastic cave this is. But my first shot didn't go too well. As you can see, the line up here, I was trying to go down onto the trees, but there was a lot of people about. So as I said on the other video, if it's not lined up correctly, start again, get it lined up, and away you go. So a fantastic place. I highly recommend this if you've not been before. So you actually can get into the cave by going over these large rocks as well. So I nearly slipped, but I survived. Really good fun.
You nearly fell in there.
Really cool place, lots of fun, and took some great pictures in there. But I have a confession to make. Alright, so that shot wasn't entirely correct, because on my approach there was just too many people about. Even though we had some people warning them, there was too many people about to do that safely. So the shot I've just showed you before, that was faked. Just like the shot under the bridge where I showed you can fake it in circumstances, this was a good time to fake it. If you don't feel confident doing this shot, there's too many people about, just go straight into the object and then fly backwards and then just reverse the clip. So this clip is actually reversed. Could you tell? Let me know in the comments. Did you know that was fake and it was actually a reverse shot or not? Let me know. So once I've done that, let's just look at the stunning area of the lake as well. But the main point and focus I'm trying to point out here is the signal is that good on this. If you look, we've not had any dropouts whatsoever. We've flown around caves, partially in a cave, around it. Fantastic. The signal is so good. You can use this as a memory maker, a flying memory maker. It's brilliant. Such a fantastic drone. And being the DJI Mini 2, especially in the UK, you can fly in areas like this, closer to people without having to do extra courses. So use it, take pictures of your family, take pictures of the landscape. It's the best tool ever. The photos out of the camera are great. You know, these are just JPEGs. I'm not even bothered to edit them because it was just a last minute thing. I wanted to show you, you don't have to do a lot of work with this drone. Just use different angles, different compositions. Take advantage of the zoom, 4K. You've got 2x zoom, so you can actually punch into objects and to people or subjects closer. You know, use that. Use the 2x zoom. But on the way out, we also saw another cave, and you have to kind of hike up to get to this. So we've got the drone. We won't bother hiking today, because I need my fingers to edit these videos. So we'll fly the drone in there and we'll fly right to the back. And you can do this with the drone, just be careful because you won't get any GPS when you're in a cave or inside, anything like that. So ATI mode, you do have restrictions there, so it won't be as stable, but great fun. So I hope you enjoyed that, guys. Have fun with your drones, make memories with them. The signal is fantastic on 1.4.3. I've not had any problems at all. So I hope you enjoyed this little quirky video today. I enjoyed the place. Let me know if you've been to this place before, and just go and have fun with it. Even indoors, look at this. This is low light indoors with the DJI Mini 2 with that tiny sensor, and that's still great. I mean, everything you can make out the details in the rocks, the flooring, brilliant. And that's low light within a cave. Just be careful if you're flying indoors, because I said you're not going to have the best signal, and make sure you put it into hover mode in case you do lose that signal. But I hope you did enjoy that, guys. A last minute trip there, and I can now showcase this to you and use your drone to your advantage. So if you're new around here, like and subscribe would be excellent. Follow me on Instagram, Darren M Productions, and a video coming soon is going to make you all very rich, and I'm still working on that, but it's going to be brilliant. Take care, guys. See you all very soon. Bye bye.